Hello everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how to easily remove background noise from your videos using Wondershare Filmora. So in this example I've already got a video.
Hello everybody, it looks like there's a new update to Wondershare Filmora. So I'm going to have a look to see whether it fixes the issue with the video jitter.
It's like a little buzzing noise.
Let's have a look.
So I'm going to show you how to remove that easily. They did have a feature previously for background removal, but it looks like it's gone into a different area. So what you can do is go AA vocal remover and select detailed mode. So it's going to go through and it's going to separate the voice and also the background noise. And then all you need to do is deselect the background noise. Let me just show you. Okay, so it's done. As you can see here, it's got the two videos. I'll mute the original video with the audio and also the background noise. So let me just play the background noise, for example. So I'm going to mute this one as well. Just can select here. So you can hear it here. Now just have the vocals or just your voice.
Hello everybody, it looks like there's a new update to Wondershare Filmora. So I'm going to have a look to see whether it fixes the issue with the video jitter.
So that's how you remove the background noise. If there's any other easier ways to do it, let me know. But this is the way that I think is the best way to do it. If it helped, please give a like and subscribe to the channel.